Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. So today is day 3, look 3, where Pretty Random chose my eyeshadow palettes for the week, so we're doing 5 instead of 7. I had 2 looks this week that were requested by you guys, so thank you so much for doing that. The next one is this one, so it's the So Lush eyeshadow palette, and it's by an indie brand. I think they're called Labelle, which is spelled L-A-B-E-L-L-E, and this is what it looks like. It's very colourful. I was immediately drawn to the shade Ivy because obviously it's green, but then I got to thinking, well, what eyeshadows would I not normally wear? This one here, this is quite red, but it doesn't look that pigmented. I think it's got major hard pan on it, so I don't want to use that. So maybe I'll use Midnight, this one here, all over the lid, and then some of these up top, to get more of a red eyeshadow look. I don't normally go for red, you know that if you've been watching the channel for a while. In fact, I steer away from reds normally, but I want to try and get a little bit more comfortable with them. It's the same with blacks. I don't normally go for black either. I'm not going to be using black today, but yeah, let's get into it. Let's just go into my, because I don't think there's a cream shade in there. No, there isn't. Let's get into my Too Faced chocolate bar. And I hope today that there's no footage missed off this video. Yesterday, when I did one of the requested eyeshadow looks, towards the end of the video there was footage missing, so I really do apologise about that. I put the video up just because it was a requested eyeshadow look and you got to see everything apart from what lipstick I applied. I did apply, it's still on the bed here, this Jeffree Star one in Posh Spice. So that's just to let you guys know. Right, so this look that I'm doing now could go so wrong. First of all, I'm going to go in with this really light shade. It's called Nude. If I can find the right brush, that is. Oh, it's right in front of me. So today has been a bit of a bad day for me. Somebody that I was once really close to has kind of let me down. I don't want to talk too much about it at this stage because I'm talking to official people, but they have really let me down in a pretty bad way. So yeah, I'm talking to official people, and until I get more information on it, I don't want to go too much in it. But I've been very upset today, guys. Very upset, because the person that I thought they just wasn't that person. I'm getting all teary now just even thinking about it. So yeah, they wasn't that person, and I just feel like they really let me down. So excuse me if I'm not my chipper self. I'll try to be, but I've just got a few things on my mind. Right, so just that was a light wash of colour. It's just in the shade Nude. I don't know if I told you that. Let's move along to the left eye. I mean, I couldn't even be bothered doing my makeup. It's really late in the evening. I'm going to my mum's in a second. Well, I'll be going to the shop first, and then I'll be going to my mum's. But yeah, I didn't think I was going to be doing this today. But it will take my mind off what's actually going on. Like when I do videos and talk to you guys in the comments, it takes my mind off what's actually going on in my life. So yeah, I really do like doing it. I just can't believe it. Just cannot believe it. I feel like it's just been one of those really bad days today, guys. I need to get my sponge. Yeah, I just feel like it's been a really bad day. Right, so because I want to go in with Midnight, this one here, I think I'm just going to go in with Desire. So many brushes. Right, and I'm going to go in, and I'm going to go in with this New Look brush here. So again, this shade here, just taking it into the outer corner, and maybe, that's the wrong mirror to be looking in, and maybe blending it through the crease a little bit. That's not too scary. Blends out really nice as well. So this is the only thing I ever got from the particular indie brand. I actually forgot about it until I saw someone's blog post and they had this on it. And who put me onto this palette was Tammy Clark. So yeah, I decided to get it because she did a really nice look with it. But it's really old at this point. I don't know if I want to keep it. I mean, there are definitely some eyeshadows in here for sure that I would like to keep. Like, you've guessed it, this Ivy shade, this Sunset shade here, this Lilac shade here, and Delta Chick. So if I do kind of declutter it, I'll probably take those eyeshadows out. I'll need to use it a few more times. I might do a Shop My Stash coming up soon with things on the chopping block. Things I'm not sure I want to keep. Okay, so now then, let's go in with that brush that I like to use, this really small one. Let's clean it off first. So I want to be quite precise, so I'm going in with this brush, and we're going to go in with Midnight here. Which I think is more of a matte. It's got like, it's really dark, it's a really dark brown, and it's got flecks of glitter in it. Right, I think I'm gonna go on with my finger. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, it's definitely a matte. And I wouldn't even say it matches that really. I could have probably gone in with either one of these, Cocoa or Fine Wine, but never mind. Looks nice though, I like it. Considering it's an all matte look, I really do like how it's turned out. So now let me just get a blending brush. I'm going to use this Soho one just to blend it out. And then blend this out. Left eye's patchy as per usual. I think I've got some texture on my left eye, and that's why it's getting patchy, because it's not the eyeshadow, otherwise both eyes would be patchy. Okay, right, so now then we're going to go in with an inner corner highlight. Okay, so we're going to be using Baby Boo. What a cute name. Oh, that one's nice. I'm not sure I will be decluttering it, guys. do want to spend more time with it. I'll definitely be bringing it into Shop My Stash soon. Like I said, maybe do a chopping block one week. Let me know if you think that's a good idea. And then I'm going to go back in with Desire just all over the lash line to meet this outer corner here. And just go back in with this Urban Decay Basics brushes. Never let anyone tell you that the eyeshadow brushes that you get with palettes are rubbish. They're probably some of my best brushes, and free with eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, I tend to use these. What does everyone think of Luxie brushes? I hear everyone say that they're getting them in like Ipsy boxes and things like that, but they have started selling them now on Look Fantastic, and I'm just wondering if to try some, and if you can recommend any, that would be a great help. I mean, to be honest, I don't need any more brushes. I have got a ton, but I need to figure out which ones I want to keep, which ones I don't want to keep, and if I need any extra brushes then I'd like to buy some. I don't know whether to go Luxie or Sigma. Just a couple to get me started. See, this is looking really red now that I've put that on the lash line, which isn't normally me, but I don't actually mind it. I'm not mad at it. So then I think I'm going to go in with Baby Boo on the brow bone instead of going in with the white chocolate shade. I wouldn't normally do that, but let's do it. Let's be brave. Let's go in with this brush. So this one I got from Body Care here in the UK. I think it was about £1. So yeah, we're going to go in with that just on the brow bone. And these eyeshadows are powdery, but it could be the length of time I've had this palette. I want to say I've had it for at least a good couple of years. Right, so now then, eyeliner. And I'm struggling to find my oh, it's here. I was struggling to find my Too Faced one the other day. So we're going to go in with the Too Faced Love Eyeliner. And then I'm going to go in with my mascara. Where are you? It's the Essence I Love Extreme Mascara. And it's gone much darker than I anticipated, because I honestly thought I was going to use either the green or the peach from that particular palette. Right, now let me go and grab a lippy and then we're done. Right, so I do want to test this one. So it's the Tanya Bear Christmas stocking. I got it in an advent calendar a long time ago. It doesn't smell bad though, so I want to test it and see if it's still in day, and obviously if it kind of transfers everywhere then it will be getting decluttered. So yeah, let's give this a go. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really do like the way it's turned out actually. So guys, this concludes the eyeshadow look for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world. So if you've not already subscribed and become part of our little fam, please click that subscribe button and notification bell. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.